Nya de ni bia sekutu sebam ye mwachigo sekutu sebam midian gogofu sewa sekutu sebam DL kase body hinta no ne pa hontoma
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Efe tumlika ne share yen ewo Facebook and FCC YouTube. Na yemfa kasebo no echiri mankasa ensamum. Yensha kasebo na se FM free Ghana mampeni baremo boada. Adjoa drama ni mahama make say no we timi abomaden commission. Sahara LPG vessel. Enwe so pa ewo the Republic of South Korea just na nya senkuma kram Ghana mampeni Adjoa drama ni mahama echiri mam liquefied petroleum gas aye 20 e kan se LPG eno aye jamframa o man Ghana edidi dwuma bibima atoye fam so toto na edidi dwuma ye pam na Ghana mampeni dwumadi asronko a okopa hontoma ewo South Korea ye ochire mam abam mpenifo pina akwata achire efe nso adehwam ka biewom efa ejamframa ho dwumadi pina no mkopie mu akwasibo ne beka ne se industry stakeholders bebre na akobi Sansa maka biewom a omwa manane omo ho nimdiansi nyina kopie ma Ghana mampeni epa the state of the art vessel mba modern ya kama pa bebo apa se baya jamframa di dwuma no omanyim ye betimi edibia tukwan akwa amanone na finso amama hodo so sanso na oman ye de na base ye de ne so ashote a ye betimi akrabi ade afiri amanfo ma so apa ne jamframa ye nya bi de dwuma e wo manyim na mna Ghana mampeni Adjoa drama ni mahama endrada na yo penem bosome no ne da ene ya na eya wodeye yo penem bosome yo ne toso eyedumie no o mampeni epa dwumade ho ntoma ene wochire ma ebeboa pa boa sebaya jamframa du baabi na so men ye de ahwote a verse ne beboa ye tu fane ye sen ye kwa kofa bi diaba echire din te beboa pa Ghana mampeni echire ma wo ba ebiman emu ha ne musei na titiriw na bibiman atoye fan mu na ebeboa pa evisado do na di jamframa ne di edidwuma de senti ebeboa pa mo manga ne hone ne ensensem ne bibiman hone ne ensensem no na me akonkan e de ma omen Ghana mampeni e kasa e de afanfa so de am jamframa e de ma omen ene ama hodo aka no Ghana mampeni kiremu a ade aba kwa tete ye pa jibidie chakol jibidie kwabane kwehwenwuram e kofa chainsaw machine e kosidua ho ene pa sa twade atofom se tem na kwabane na twetwam ketenkete akofa ejesa ne yenwura de agu so atu anwia de asum so awia kwetwagya de atum adenti a otwen bidie na oyi bidie ne wia na ne hwenum se etum eka sen na de bidie no aduane eno achi nso firewood eja kobubuja de beye aduane fie kobrane hwenum wisie eka sen eno achi nso kerosene o mampani kiremu am sa jamframa mapa hontoma kasiese na beboa pa ma bibimam titire no o micron Ghana ye betumi aboa edi jamframa di dwuma ma boa ye pama ho bambɔ nsɛm no ya pomuden etimi akonkan e bibimam Ghana mampani e kiremu sɛ o manyimu anya hwekura mpo no 50% ya hone ne edi dwuma o manyimu dodo na no edi jamframa gas e na edie entianemo pa watu beboa pa ma Ghana so yakwanim efa eye gas dwumadi a edi dwuma o manyimu dodo na ye behia bia no ibetumi akofa bi e de afa manfo amanso abeboa ma ne ma konkan de ma omen.
More than the launch of a vessel, it marks a significant milestone in strengthening the infrastructure that underpins the global liquefied petroleum gas supply chain. For countries such as Ghana and many across Africa that rely partly on LPG imports to complement domestic production, the expansion of global shipping capacity is essential. It enhances supply security, improves reliability, stabilizes prices through more efficient logistics, and creates opportunities to diversify supply sources across international markets. Today we celebrate not only engineering excellence, but also the power of partnership. The commissioning of this state-of-the-art dual-fuel, fully refrigerated LPG carrier reflects the collective vision and collaboration of key stakeholders committed to advancing safe, efficient, and responsible energy distribution. Through the West African Gas Limited, WAGL,
DLFM.
This vessel represents a strategic addition to a growing fleet that is designed to support the evolving energy needs of our sub-region. Its deployment significantly expands LPG transport capacity and signals a new chapter in regional energy logistics. More importantly, it reflects a shared commitment to strengthening access to reliable and cleaner energy across West Africa and the African continent. Energy access and the transition to cleaner energy sources remain among the defining challenges of our time. LPG plays a vital role in this transition. For millions of households across Africa, LPG offers a cleaner alternative to traditional fuels such as charcoal, firewood, and kerosene. Its wider adoption contributes not only to improve public health, but also to environmental sustainability by reducing deforestation and indoor air pollution. Through strategic investments and forward-looking partnerships, such as the one we're celebrating today, we're taking practical steps to enhance energy security for Ghana, West Africa, and Africa as a whole. These efforts contribute to building a just and inclusive energy transition that benefits future and present generations. Ghana, like many of our neighboring countries, recognizes the transformative potential of LPG in supporting socio-economic development.
Any awoti ye a Ghana man penny, Paramo Boada, John Dramani, Mahama.
Yentwa Kasiabone so na Unilever Ghana for any Ghana Health Service for Timia Kabomu atete a year ayarishemu juma abua for beye 10,000 sanya be yombebua na oral hygiene so etimi akoso ewe ye mantem dunsia no wo manyimu efa eye world oral health day no beba so benimbo so me ne de to so eye aduonu ewo mfimpimienu ne aduonu nsia yimu na san hihye we ebeboa sane be ya eye oral eye hygiene ebetimi akoso ye ewo manyimu na ya de omo behwe sa ayaresha adwuma mu buafo ne benya nimde ne niam ebetimi aboa wom sane be yom be cheche omo anfo no kwan omo befa so a ekoba so omo ndi omo hu ne eba wom sen chese niam hu hia ni na no betimi a kyerɛkyerɛ omo na timi aboa niam a wo so omo nya sane be ya sa kwanto obi kwa no omo tu ebetimi aboa wom a nini na no omo sa ebetimi aka na sa nkyerɛkyerɛ we beboa wom na mahu kwan omo befa so omo bedi omo hu ni ne kwan omo betimi afa so ekoba se yare bi kra ha wom sa omo sesa kaka bi kra na eyo omo krampo na omo betimi ehu kwan omo befa so omo besi anokwan na ya managing director Edema Unilever ya Ghana aya Chris Wolf Caesar Edensam editujwa echiemu se abra omo na ya Ghana Health Service for akabo mo di dwumadie we eba na no beboa ma ya hwe dwumamu aboafo no omo nsoso no matimi anya nimdia sonko na eba ora ya hygiene na omenya hu nimdia no matimi ahyemu den sa na ebe ya beboa na omanfo ne so no ebenya nimdia etimi ede afa ho.
Ambition today is to ensure that oral health education reaches every Ghanaian community, including those that are often the hardest to access, from Binduri in the Upper East region to Jilakope in the Oti region and everywhere in between. So by Unilever Ghana partnering with the Ghana Health Service, we are able to embed oral health education into an existing and trusted public health system. Together, we will train 5,000 to 10,000 frontline health personnel to promote oral care. This partnership also strengthens the impact of our Do the Two, which encourages Ghanaians to brush twice daily.
Managing Director Edema Unilever Ghana aya Chris Wolf Caesar Nenuachi ana Director General Edema Ghana Health Service aya Samuel Kaba Akoriya edi tuja no chemu say sa collaboration yo muni Unilever Ghana for aye betimi aboa sane ebeya se bi omo manum wonka obi odidi na okoda kron twetwe ne sen obi be wo na okasagu so otimi kra etwahwe no ombetimi aye ncheche na etimi aboa sane ebeya omo so no ebetimi aso ano.
This collaboration, which emphasizes on prevention, health education, and tax sharing through the involvement of non-oral health professionals, is a commendable and timely initiative. It represents a practical and forward-looking approach to oral health disease. On behalf of the Ghana Health Service, I assure you of our technical leadership, oversight, and commitment to ensuring that this collaboration contributes to improve oral health professionals is a commendable and timely initiative. It represents a practical and forward-looking approach to oral health disease. On behalf of the Ghana Health Service, I assure you of our technical leadership, oversight, and commitment to ensuring that this collaboration contributes to improved oral health outcomes for communities across the country.
DLFM 106.9.
Enya uti Director General Edema Ghana Health Service Samuel Kaba Akoria.
Yan to akase bono so ne yenyina mu won kran popore maten na nsem no abo apeso won kran hapa na nansan ye beto dwa sene ana no dwa de twa mu oman Ghana mu nyina mantam dunsianim ekire nyina koye din na ne nyina ne say Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana etwaditia eka ne say grosak mpenifo ekire mu a oman mpenifo ene wonom edi koto manhwe ato agro bia yemenem nukure ni eyagobone pa entomonte se masa bia oman mpenifo emfase kan bone meyi omutiri bone na omatetere mu nye den every say adwuma mo ye no condition of service omani mpenifo aka nanso Ghana man mpenifo amode akobo ye fitadiku na chese mu fi wona mokrente no omate atua ene alata momwe adwuma no munyanye biom ko bia akwatena akwadwena mo akwado omoyira mponafo aduane enti akire koye din na sense we make say no Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana and na ye ukuada na ye openem boss ma ye wonde data so dubako and beto dwa say National Labour Commission for mpeni for mode atwere kra 10 ede koma wona mo say momla ne yense nkonwa na ye hwe yenkɔ bankrum na mo na atuate amate no kra no edikan emfamra kwanso mo atuate na say strike action no ye illegal emfamra kwanso enti momra na yene mu nse nkonwa ede na ha mo nka mo ha nkyra ban na abanso nya mapade ma mo wa mamoden ekosi pono hwehwe table so siesie so kama nsentwerefo abebu momaka ma asema ekire din kotira bempo enkopie National Labour Commission penifo anim momono mankwakwosi aginasi na nsa we me na ekire mu say ehu pa se o manyim bibi ha mo na penifo asem matenase na yene monkwa bankrem a na mama yene ma ne say na men na nsensem we mo no na ya maame no executive secretary edema National Labour Commission ye maame Benis Rebek ene sentrefo akasa na wo kire mu say omokwatena ase afitua no pasa ekire din kotre bempo ntwem emu aya pasa koba ne sa na omu kire ma wono ma sanso atu nhyemude ndi akwa kwahye nkopɔ ya atoma obenim bosuma yomene tasotu nwotwe wo mfempem mienu ne aduonu ensiemu ukua da bai pepepe ombesa kwahiem na meeting no omakwesi nkonwa na ye maame Dr. Rebek kire ma ombesra da ye nianam ye grocer company fo na ma mutu no etia wo man Ghana mra na wohwe National Labour Commission fo ne nso a ye oman Ghana ena bo modern ade ya mamra ede sa soye na ba eno ehwe oman Ghana padie so entinema bia enkonkan ede ma pan ena afi nso ade hya wonu mudi pa wo manyim esoma oman no wo modern ade ho nsem kodan na soye na modern asiesie enti e ba ne se na moto nsa frɛ mu ama edi kampo etiatia no kra no ade amfamra kwam enti ade a ye nuanem Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana penifo aye ne ade a edi calculate yo man no mo hwere mse nkopɔ ya de ma wukwa da bai. We
expected them to come, but they didn't come. And they never also gave any excuse or any reason why they didn't come. So the head of civil service represented the employer, that is government, and he was accompanied by officials of the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. You know that in the first letter that we wrote to them, we asked them to appear. First, to rescind the decision. That was on the 5th of March, and to appear. So today, because they didn't appear and they are still on strike. You know, when a party is on strike or has instituted an industrial action, the substantive matter cannot be heard. The first one said it constituted an illegality if they embark on it. Now the declaration has been made, which is a kind of ruling that the action that they've taken is illegal. And so we are moving step by step. They've been asked to call it off immediately and appear next week, Wednesday. Once you've been summoned, you have to come. And if you have resolved, then you come and announce it. So you can't say that you are staying out. So you have to come and say that, yes, we have resolved it. And that is it.
DLFM,
Well, the commission has been established by law to deal with these matters. And so you are under obligation once you are invited to come and you have to appear. But then they decided not to come without any reason.
Omba madia ya majune sense mudie na ma enso one man fa the entia one man to me ama na mfa ma we no enyibu edema National Labour Commission eni a wuti ye eye maame ono na ye executive secretary edema National Labour Commission niden ede ya maame Bernice Welbeck ena wote nini
Yentwa Kasiabone so na eye lesbian educational complex no ewo kofoidua ewe premantemu aye science technology aye engineering and mathematics eno ye twanitia FN system aye quiz e dia ma schools ahodo eno ewo honom na schools ekoka ho ema omudi quiz no ebaye aye Pentecost Preparatory aye school sanso na Trinity Royal School any Presbyterian Church of Ghana any Calvary aye academy no mu na kabo ma aye quiz no mutimi ekoye na sa quiz omukoye omubo modern access ekoba system aye adisua no betimi akoso eno eye science aye abode emu nyansa pesa so ana technology na eno ye eye mfidijuma ho so adisua engineering no eye adanse ho nsem ana eye mathematics no enso eye nkotabuo omubeso omu nsem fra no omo obo mo modern pa ewasa biaye na omo ne nsem trofo etwetwe nkomo ana lesbian education aye complex eye STEM teacher say Benjamin Omane edi tudwa na oche musa na omo pese omo hu ahoden a emofra no ewo se ba STEM adisua na emo bibia chese emofra no musua de ye papa na quiz omo ye chese omo obo omo homoden to no de ohun ni se ohun modern boy ye school for no eboye na chese Ghana Education Service ewo dachi ye papa into was re aban ni say STEM project omampani dada aye na dodanko ekufo ado aban no sha asesa omo ye no mbeko so aye ewo schools pon ahodo eno ewo manga na mu sane ebe ye betimi abo amofra no mo so no matimi atetu omo ye esan say o hwa modern ma amofra no eboye na cheso manga na ye daache ebetimi ayeye
Maybe I STEM as a channel science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Empalano, Moneybo. To say, BS for EPC JHS on programming. Internal, by say, you're holding mathematics, science, and technology, and we see by. But Empalano, Modiba, so and expect to say a beco so as in see, and then who say Oman also or that it is it's me at Waswa, a bit me the technology I hear any man degree. It's the best. That was on say Ghana Education Service almost STEM because my teacher said previous government now was started ACC STEM school every region. The best say to us no my nama STEM no abeg.
Niya wuti ye lesbian educational complex STEM teacher Sir Benjamin Omane na manibo ye nsem troni kontinhi kofi obona different poemantemu ebesomye
yen to akase wono tire ye nyina mu ewon kran pompone mantenim ye fi ye ni fanchire me ewa masama ne potem na make say national coordinator edema ejesene egg consumption ye ni kusua pa no na ye national coordinator kusua die ne den ye de madam comfort e champon adodo abonom na ne say mama champon na obaba bibimam ha say so na ye African women in animal resource farming and agribusiness network endrada omoden kyerɛkyerɛ dwumadie efa kosie die ho ekwa hyehye so emma de hye wonom apomuden konkre moda yaresabea ewo amasaman aban yaresabea ena afi so nurse form ye adwuma wo kyerɛkyerɛ wonom a ekonkan pa na dwumadie we nyina so ka International Women's Day celebration dwumadie a ekoso wiase afra na nyina Ghana man so ye kai wonom ebo mabaso na dwumadie eka ho bi na ya maame comfort e champon etiri ma kosie ya de a wotadi a Eboa wo pam apomuden esipi esita. Ye wo nuane mu ahodenni wo ma eyade papa. Enti wa wonta ni kosua no wo problem pam o kirema titiro ne apemfo no. Wo pese wo ba no wo no na onya nimdie kama na nadwene mu bobew no tumi kosua homa no ye obi onyo werefrifo a otere wada wo ya batan kosua no betumi di na nopa awia ene anumira wo kwada nyina beboa ma wo ba no wo na obenya nimdie a kyerese obi antumi ngi mfiri ne nsem kyekye ni kura behu ne sɛ yes wo ba no wa ben pam na wo kirema Ghana de hia mo honte monta kyerese mapomden tan konkan no munni kosua na ye wo protein wom ɛyɛ fine pa ebie nipa dwunum wa ani ho yade ana ani ho ha wani so ayɛ kusukusu glaucoma etu ne sɛ hu wo obi a wotadi kosua so ha wo nyane to nkwanta mapai ye ma me kiremu a obɛsra Ghana de hye ɔman mu nursefo ene mo a modada yade mpaso ene mu mpa atwede yampanko pa di mu ho afofi a mote apo omumfa kosua ni agro munni kosua na nopa ewie na anadwa mokwada na mmom ni mframa na mbeyi a fanti bekara atekum eno pene be hamo na mmom kosua yade bo ni papo mu den Madam Comfort champon ado afana no ebonam na ne say mama champon etemre ni DLFM na msi ni otonkra wonkra premantemu me wafa se Emmanuel Opoku Adusi Tuta sana mani say DJ Active twetwenkomo
ni ameye ni say me coordinator for Ghana National Egg Campaign Secretariat ya no ye call rounds Emma education on egg consumption ewo Ghana ha enti na sa group yi awafa mai any weaver eno ye maku a womo emma ayewo efuoye mu won a eyen emo atitru a enkokọ ka ho enu nti na mete say well every year bia many women na International Women's Day ye koye donations a ya na ye de kosua ka ho because ya na health no ehia yen na ensensem a womo keka gu kosua so no ye take opportunity ne say ye de be chire mu a chire won say ni a womo ka na enye nokre say ni a wo bi obeka bibia fa kosua die ho no onfa na research support enka ho kosua wo nutrient bi a friend choline eni nuane bebre mu e kosua ni niema kakra bi na obenya choline wo na nyankopon eboye no choline no eye for brain development ya dwene enti so ba wonyem so taidi kosua ne ba na obewo no na dwene no anyini dada okusku a onweda na wo maame obi a wanyini a wudi kosua no eboa wa dwene especially ya mpanifo no ma ya dwene no ma ye stable ye hinhim ye wure mfifi nsem eniema bebre eno no efru aba wani kosua boa ma ye ni so da hopa because enuane nro bi wo mu obobo nuane nro di ana ye nipatiri mu hanyan but wonuane nro wo mu a eboa ma ani wani ye titiriw eke wudi kosua katrate ma wani so nti sa wo bi nsoso a okwa senia won be no because wudi kosua nti ni ye no eye boko kra
ene wudi kosua na September suwari so ani ye no eye boko vise kosua na beboa pa ama oha no etimi akofom ene a woti ono ene national coordinator edema egg consumption onu kre ya nso na bi mai oye African Women in Animal Resource Farming and Agri-Business Network. The day at the Madam Comfort a champon. The double man se mama champon. And a wate ninkain. Na enwachi and a president at the African Women in Animal Resource Farming and Agri-Business Network. Madam Florence Korte a ye jakutu onoso echiremu. O chirechirem faso dia mapa e wokusia dim o chire obesere Ghana fo. Se wudi kosua no bi kacha se kosua wudi anya kacha ne se eden ne waye hwehwem be na waye nti obeka saa kosua yade ye nti Ghana fo ye ntungu kosua so ne ye ni na nopa ne anadwene bebo ya pomuden pa
Medende Mrs. Florence Kote Jokoto be president for Greater Accra Awafa omasua se nkosua eye aduane prekope nti omosori omundibi se na be ya ebe mo amahoden se anopa osori na udibi na numusuo guso a awiem kakra ansana ebia kombedo a obesan edibibi ema pomudin ema protein ema niama bebre ema nkwala nketewa kura adwen emu do ema mpanefo nso ye ka sa ebia omo ya yarefo yi so omo hospital ye de ma omo ebebo papa ama omo nya pomudin
ene ebebo papa ma pomudin mapa bibia aye kama pa ene a woti ye Ona ya president had the African Women in Animal Research Farming and Agribusiness Network. The day at the Madame Mrs. Florence Kote Jakutu. Na enwachi and a medical superintendent at the Amasamai Ayar Sabia, Dr. Sapon Tiamwa. And so, but Modia Jachadian in Kusia. Yama mother come out, no matter na see a pace, yama on the mouth, the match papa Modia Jemre. Abayan Chre, I say, O Momre, Edema this year, one of Edaya Sabia, maybe asun and nurse fan Dr. Forsum. Or which the Mamunyam wapin to Modia Mebwa, and watching so. Memway, Enquires Sama Enquire my Ghana Mantam, and Neviso Mensina sending Kitwanium, Sabaya, you medias and come my yeno. Or my Ghana Sabia Hodwa Canubia, a bit me, and Yahu Emphaso.
From Dr. Sapon Tiamwa, medical superintendent, the African Women in Animal Resources Farming and Agribusiness Network, AWAFA, Adomasine, Juma Wabediwa,
DLFM 106.9.
Also, Greater Accra region, a binary Shada Curating Center or higher edition. Banyamiadum, America Cranny, Yanya Buruli, and so you know, Chester Center, Mayaguni, Amoshe, a crew, a Seburuli, any a crew, a whole baby, Amoshe Count, any other surgical wounds. Then Adoyama Bay, Abeche, Kusiyama, patients, Ebedas, Kusiya, dear, protein. Buapa protein so in himself for wound healing. Say crew the bewuno in a protein bamfaso. A bo a corner basso. Ama Ashomun crying say, Omon Cosuna, Omonye Sado, and yes, limited to Amasama. Bia, Omobehia, Omo assistance being a bia, Omonconomon. And so I say a bear patients, Misso Kama. Now, donation of the abandoned patients
any our Tobogramu, our Masamai government hospital, no, and a medical superintendent in the day a day. Dr. Sapon in Tiamwa and our tinny. Nana Cramo, no, and the Union no, Apomodane and Conquer Mother Amasamai, Abain Ara Sabia, Epre Apomodeno. And so Jemre, any ameni boni, Emmanuel Opoku Adusi. Dodwa Sadamane, DJ Active to train command or Muchirima, Yamanum Ukraine. Eh, every much on Pecosia Pananso, Ebi Kayan would do Cosia of Fubaya Kutu. Would do be our Teddy Cosia, Emma Pomodane, one shall Ubenya Mujamoroso, Obenya Colostron at the end to do on a jedi. One Muchirema, and Chira Pam, Penny for the Abram Beboa Panacosiano Munfen Yagro. One bedin no pa, a Renanajo. Na mwa pomuden akonkan
sene ya ma mama ye hu say 94 class say we dikusia eboa ma ade twawa ewu eboa ma wunyi eboa ma unompemu yedin tisani ma na mesu afim say fi sabreku we dikusia
bebre efi se kane no na enipatu ya egu ya bem se udikosia ubenya cholesterol udikosia say but enchechre na me ati asese Kosia ye meni pediano titru omo enyini mpo no ebie wadwene
ntisesi ade mati ase which we din sukurachi nesi ade mbedi ni kese pa mbedi pa em say ye nyina ye wo but ya be sua no ye ka no mo amon sua ebi no montie na monfan ye we na nti kosia no ye anye ma wo yare bia ya
pani eni kosia eti kosia no medi kakra time bi ho a meni bibi eti se de ya tie de na cheze ye betimi ehu se kosia na ye no ayema enipadua no nti obia udi kosia
106.9.
Hey, ene obia udi kosia ebeya ma we ye Ghana de hia wanom ewa amasaman ayar sabia ena wote se omuni dia nsɛmtwerɛfo atwetwe nkomoi na mande boy ye nsɛmtwerɛ ni Emmanuel Opoku Adusi a dodoa eseremrane DJ Active ena de amane boy ebesome ye nyina we so na yenko Facebook ono so na yakeka madwenkyerɛ mde aba ne bi emfansom awiei na me wafase Adjoa Agyei edi aba na wase o maya ha o ohwe live edi free Christian Village achimwota enja kese yenkoma Silver Lady patupa papa no oche na awiei na wasan de aba na wochirema Ghana beye yebiu inshallah we yem wafase Adjoa Agyei ena ode ba na Piaga dia ba so hwe live edi free achem asafo no chirema am press 1 today oh me wafa say piaga yakupon hira opa no awoda no onye no sonko onte na nimu fa nkyerɛ wo kokwa wo mpa bia wabɔtwede ampo Nyankopɔn onto super fangu so na wutiri mu nsɛm no woni so ade hunu nyina no emre mu happy birthday enkonfama piaga hachima safo ya mission woda no onye no sonko kra na me wofa se Richard ahwe e de aba no wose omaya ha o Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi bantwerebo na wotafrija ana afin so Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding kasebo ne mu odesa no manam nenam DJ Ghana man fidie no so Birthday station na ye DLFM next kasebo no kire mu odesa no manam na ode ya se na dwumaden a yebo edesom o my Ghana ene wo kire mu a ona po bam edi adia kasebo ne mu odesei na Kofi Parliament edi aba na wo kire mu an Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi hwe kosiadi yade a eye pa na we ni watwere no mfante kosiadi de eye pa aya atwere no mfante kosiadi di oye pa atwere no mfante mi ye mfante to wasi kosiadi de eye pa na o kire ma hwe live edi free agona Bobby Kuma apa me wo fa ase Kofi Parliament ni next time aya atwere no mfante na me so man kan mfante kakrate na ye nyina ye nso ye kurom kasa we kasa ye bo no ye gina we so na ye de ase nansa na ye be kwa ni mpani se sabia bobiri jaja kwa ye nya ne kwanti DJ Afiba the international DJ di bia ba yanka wasam na ye soro kwasa dwuma obedi ye fie ha no age ye de etiri kwahwe bem Afiba e kire mu enne senior man tase wabobra na du akire pa make say wanya mfinhye na de okra miensa 93 years enne ne Yakopon e de Afiba kwa aka ne fie hom ne den ono na ne den ade Apostle retired Emmanuel Kwesi Labi Asamwa Labi no no wasom e wa Christ Apostolic Church asamanka se na owo na twede ampo Nyankopon aprapra kwan mu na ode Afiba ko aka ne mfie ho a emfinhia pade aduokron miensa oh Apostle I tap into your blessings okay Nyankopon jam te se wo 93 years enya simkuma nyame nhyira opi na we de ono wankasa na babbe ma ne din de Samuel Kwabena Asamwa Labi ene wo kire mu a oni abusua ne nyina mo prapra kire me yam papa Apostle retired Emmanuel Kwesi Labi Asamwa Labi ono no Christ Apostolic Church asamanka se wosom ye pa Nyankopon anim a wagina aboa na watete ni papi di konkwajem na po nyame nya okese ye pa odo na onya de soro nko ne ye mpa ebon se Nyankopon fa mfie ni pi na nka ho na kwaso atena atiasefo asase so na wo ma ye nyina ye sintutu ne ma de se wo na ye nkwaso ahwe na ne pa waboa ye ma enne ye nsaka bi no usu ni bi na ye die wadi dada Nyankopon kwaso ma kwatente na ye srama wo enti happy birthday once again go see you Apostle retired Emmanuel Kwesi Labi Asamwa Labi wosom wo Christ Apostolic Church asamanka se we everywhere wabema Samuel Kwabena Asamwa Labi no oni abusuamu no nyina se yemfa woda so no ku we yemfa mapo nyame hye na woda no onya ne sonko kra kase bɔ no ye de asi emusamufo no ya maze mebel ntwene se mu edema yen champion tailor bema obo ade ade ekopie mu Facebook YouTube ema kase bo nya bi ehwe yem akenkanfo ya sinkomnya beso ma wie ne yemienu Edia meje so ya wofa ose ade the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi memra ne ene bantwerebo na otafrija mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
shanen so say DJ Zikipi echinchim kasafre no froma edosom yen ye kwei me wofa ase na Adjoa Seki radio mu ya santo a dade Lumba asemu Michael Jackson oba ede dela odwumadie no aba besom ye besere mu ada Wado nsaka radio na bechudo de mamra ene wadi nsa de se dwumadie na so pa kwaso ane yentena emamu nyina mu anitia adehye